Hello, welcome to Beyond One Way, a place where you can find multiple recipes using one food product. What Asian dishes can we make with leftover rotisserie chicken? How about making curry chicken pastry, an appetizer you can get at Chinese restaurants that serve dim sum? Check out my other videos or go to my website for more ideas on making Asian appetizers with leftover rotisserie chicken. For the filling, we will need 1 cup diced chicken, half cup frozen peas and carrots vegetable mix, 1 cup diced onions, 1/4 cup water, 2 teaspoons curry powder. We will stir fry these ingredients with 1 tablespoon each of vegetable oil and chopped garlic. I use pre-made pie crust dough as my pastry dough to save time. Egg wash and sesame seeds to make the pastries golden yellow and pretty, just like at the dim sum restaurants. Heat up a non-stick frying pan with vegetable oil to saute onions first. Add garlic and continue to saute onions until they are soft. Add the frozen peas and carrots vegetable mix and some curry powder. Saute the vegetables until onions become translucent. Now add the chicken, more curry powder, and some water. Make sure everything is well mixed in the frying pan. While our curry chicken mixture is cooling down, let's go prepare our pie crust dough. Roll out the pie crust dough carefully and cut it into many circles. Since I don't have a circle cutter, I am using a round water glass to cut the dough. This water glass is about 3.5 inches in diameter, perfect for making this appetizer. Cut the dough as closely to each other as possible to get as many circles as we can. Reshape the leftover crust into a ball and use a rolling pin to roll out the dough and keep on cutting circles until there's not enough dough left to roll it out. When that happens, make a small ball and flatten it with the bottom of a water glass. I can get 10 circles out of 1 pie crust dough by doing it this way. This recipe will make 20 pastries, which will need 2 pie crusts. Here are our cold curry chicken filling and circular shaped dough. We're ready to make the curry chicken pastry now. Bake at 375 degrees for 10 minutes. Then rotate the baking sheet and bake for another 5 minutes. This will allow all the pastries to bake evenly in the oven. Don't they look beautiful? Here you have it, flaky and delicious curry chicken pastry appetizer. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. See you next time.